Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to reduce background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your audio clip, then select your clip and go to Essential Sound panel. If you don't see it, click Window, click Essential Sound to open. Now in the Essential Sound panel, click Dialog to drag your clip as a voice recording. Scroll down to Repair section and turn on Reduce Noise. Then adjust the amount slider slowly. You need the background noise fade, but your voice still sound natural. You can also enable Reduce Reverb if there echo or room noise. Once you are done, play back your audio and you will notice it sound much clearer and smoother. And that's how you can easily reduce background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.